Hello friends, very good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Talent Traders, myself Bala here. I welcome you all to my YouTube channel. And thank you for subscribing the channel, and we are reaching more than 10,000 subscribers. And thanks to those who are already subscribed, and advance thanks to those who are going to subscribe my channel. And in this video, I'm going to discuss about the scanner which we have developed yesterday, and regarding the Camarilla monthly pivots along with EMA 20 period. So that given you some positional trade opportunity. So we made a scanner yesterday's video, and also the scanner which updated on the premium group. And today we find some stocks from this list. So let me go to discuss about this, how we select stocks from this list. And almost 5 stocks we got it from the scanner. So what, simply again one more time I will explain you. So how the scanner works: monthly Camarilla pivot. Okay, so monthly Camarilla pivot on monthly time frame, and the same time EMA 20 period that I'm going to take in for a study. In this case, I'm looking for monthly. The price is not to break, and the EMA should break the R4 level. So that is what my exact conditions. So Camarilla R4, that should be crosses above the EMA 20. That is what a simple concept which I'm adding here. And here you can see that R4 level on each month. So but some months the prices are breaking, but EMA is not breaking. In this case, when the EMA is breaking that Camarilla R4, maybe I got some confirmations on the trend, and maybe it is working for a better swing trading opportunity. And if the stock is keep on moving lower after that, this kind of pattern which happened, so that is going to give you such a better result on a positional basis. And this one is not suitable for an intraday. So maybe it will be useful for a swing trading or a positional trading kind of thing. So, and also you can look for the trend of that particular stock. So you can see from here. So almost say almost 7 months the EMA not broke in the R4. So it is going to give you such a powerful breakout in this particular stock. Okay, so how many stocks we got it based on that is a 5 stocks, and we used monthly pivot and daily EME and daily time frame. We are going to check the scanner, and it will be giving you some opportunities. Maybe SRF is the first one based on our scanner. Let me check whether it is working right or wrong. So you can see this is SRF, and after making the high from 2600 and it went down to 2000, so almost 600 point. Again it tried to recover, but we don't get any breakout on the EMA. Here also it is happening after the month 4th of September. So we need to get in between the month. Okay, so here you can see the breakout which is happening 21st of March. That may be a powerful opportunity. In this case, here the prices breaks, but here only the EMA crosses over above to the level. So this is one point where I'm looking for. In this case, so we don't get any opportunity this month, that is August and September and October, and finally we got a November. That is what today. So we exactly finding the trade opportunity based on the EMA crosses above the Camarilla R4. So previous day that is less than the R4, and today it is greater than the R4. So that will be a crossover that we find out based on that particular scanner. And if you are looking at this, maybe two tops which is forming here in the previously in this particular stock, the two top which forms in this point, and maybe a breakout chances that would be already comparing to the previous day high, it is lower, and maybe this is the valid pattern. So let me track what is going to happen on this particular. So this may be a valid one. And the second one we got it is around IEX. I think we seen a few days back also IEX. Let me look at this IEX, and previous day it is less than, and today it's a gap up almost 150 plus, and after the gap up it started moving down. But if you're looking at from previous high 164, and after that it came down, but we have already an opportunity at this point. Same thing which is happening, gap up like that, and again it came down. But if you are looking at the chart, is very flat, it is not a downtrend. But if you're comparing the previous highs, almost previous levels is 249. Maybe we can try for this with the lower level stop loss around 117. Maybe this point should be a swing opportunity, maybe a recovery. So after a downtrend we are looking for a recovery. Okay, so this is also be one of the good one. So based on the scanner, and M&M is the one more thing, and I'm looking for. Based on this scanner which we have created yesterday, we find these stocks. Look at this M&M already in uptrend. Okay, so from this point, it is already moving up and slightly down, and again it moving up. So maybe a trend continuation only. It is not about a swing opportunity. We are using this as a continuation in the trend. So that may be working for the breakout which is happening about to that level. So here we got that opportunity, but it is already in highest level, so don't want to go for this. So we simply ignore this kind of thing. So because already trend is going on. Okay, so that should be a one more better opportunity to avoid this. So filter out the stock based on the scanner. The scanner is nothing about, it will be showing you whatever the stock which is happening, this soft. Okay, so this is also be a clear uptrend. It's moving on. So here is the previous month. Here is the breakout around 570. Now it is going to give you one more breakout as around today is maybe near about the 622, maybe continuation. But the real breakout which we find out here somewhere around the price is nearby 334 on 16th May. So this is also be a clear uptrend. So don't want to try at a highest level. Simply we can ignore this. Right, so that will be helping to find out such a great opportunity, but we don't want to go for visa because already in trending mode. This is also be one more example. It is also be a clear uptrend, and second time it's broken that level, and initially we got an entry opportunity at this point of 720 or 726. Now it is trading near about 1066. And is there any other ideas to apply on this? Also you can let me suggest, and we can add it, and this particular indicator even we can make this as a perfect one, and even we can use consecutive higher in the trend. So that is also we can use after a clear downtrend. So 3-4 days consecutive down. So that is also a scanner which we made after 3 consecutive down in R4, and then breakout. That is also be possible based on the price which we are looking for. In this case, we have to find out such opportunity along with EMA. So now it is working, and we got some stocks from this list. We are finding one or two. So not to take all the things, because it's a scanner. It is going to be find out what are the stocks which satisfy this condition, and that only we are going to looking for. Okay, so I hope you understood the concept which you have used by yesterday by using that particular scanner of monthly Camarilla EMA breakout R4. So I hope you understood. Thank you for watching, and keep supporting and subscribing the channel, and thank you so much.